The active volcano in South Korea is called Halasan. It is a shield volcano located on Jeju Island. With a summit at 1947 meters 6388 feet, it is the highest point in the country. The area surrounding Halasan is designated as Halasan National Park. Halasan is a shield volcano. It is located on Jeju Island in South Korea. It is the highest mountain in the country, with a summit at 1947 meters 6388 feet. The volcanic activity on Jeju Island began approximately in the Cretaceous and lasted until the early Tertiary period. The main volcano of Halasan includes 360 satellite volcanoes. The volcanic activity on Jeju Island began approximately in the Cretaceous period and lasted until the early Tertiary period. The most recent eruptions are estimated to have occurred about 5,000 years ago, which classifies the volcano as active, meaning there have been eruptions within the last 10,000 years. Yes, there are ongoing research projects focused on the volcanic activity on Jeju Island. Here are some examples. 1. Volcanism in Jeju Island. This research project explores the syndepositional volcanic activities, hydrovolcanisms, and alkali basaltic lava effusions on Jeju Island. Source. 2. The study on geology and volcanism in Jeju Island. This study investigates the petrochemistry and absolute ages of subsurface volcanic rock cores from boreholes in the eastern lowland of Jeju Island. Source. 3. Natural and artificial radioactivity in volcanic ash soils of Jeju Island. This research project focuses on investigating the activity concentrations of natural and artificial radionuclides in volcanic ash soils of Jeju Island. The volcanic activity on Jeju Island has both positive and negative effects on the local environment and wildlife. Here are some ways in which it can impact them. 1. Soil fertility. Volcanic eruptions release minerals and nutrients into the soil, making it highly fertile. This benefits plant growth and supports a diverse ecosystem. 2. Biodiversity. The unique geological features and fertile soil resulting from volcanic activity create diverse habitats for various plant and animal species. Jeju Island is home to many endemic species that have adapted to this volcanic environment. 3. Lava tubes. Lava tubes, formed by the solidification of lava flows, provide shelter for various species, including bats and insects. These underground habitats contribute to the biodiversity of the island. 4. Threats to wildlife. During volcanic eruptions, the release of gases, ash, and lava can pose direct threats to wildlife. Animals may be displaced or suffocate due to the toxic gases or be affected by changes in their habitats. 5. Impact on water systems. Volcanic activity can affect water systems, including lakes, rivers, and groundwater. It may alter the water chemistry and temperature, impacting aquatic ecosystems and the availability of water resources for both wildlife and human populations.
6. Tourism and conservation. The volcanic landscape of Jeju Island attracts tourists, contributing to the local economy. However, it is important to balance tourism with conservation efforts to protect the fragile ecosystems and minimize human impact on wildlife. It's worth noting that the specific effects of volcanic activity on the environment and wildlife can vary depending on the type and intensity of eruptions, as well as the resilience and adaptability of the local species.